Have a go at these in your own time. Pause the video if you need to. 1/7 plus 1/7. That's 2/7. If you're not sure, what's 1 elephant plus 1 elephant? 2 elephants. What's 1/7 plus 1/7? 2/7. Okay. What's 1 elephant plus 1 giraffe? I can't add them together. They're just two different things. What's 1/2 plus 1/10? I can't add them together because they do different things. Okay, fine. In which case, can we change one of them? Oh yeah, we could change this because we change times the top and bottom by 5, which means we end up with 5/10 plus 1/10. Ah, now I've got two things that sound the same. What's 5/10 plus 1/10? 6/10. Because what's 5 elephants plus 1 elephant? 10 elephants. There we go. Sorted. Let's do the next page. So this is the last little lot of questions. Pause, have a go in your own time if you like. That'd be 2/7. What's 1 elephant plus 2 elephants? That'd be 3 elephants. Or 3, but we're talking about sevenths here. What's 1 cuth plus 2 cuths? Well, if you didn't know that was a math sum, you just go, well, that's 3 cuths, isn't it? I don't know what a cuth is, but there's 3 of them, because you just told me you've got 1 and 2. There we go, so that's all 3 there. Thanks for watching.